Welcome back. Time now for Midday Sports.
The West Indies have been set 228 to win the second one-day international against Bangladesh at Warner Park in St. Kitts and Nevis. Sent to bat, Bangladesh were dismissed for 227 off 45.5 overs. Mohamed Mamadullah top scored with 62. He also shared a record 92-run 8th-wicket partnership with Tanzim Hassan Shakib, who made a career-best 45. Tanzim Hassan also made 46. Jaden Seals took 4 for 21 and Gudakesh Moti 2 for 36 for the West Indies. The Caribbean side leads the three-match series 1-0. West Indies pacer Alzarri Joseph has been fined 25% of his match fee for breaching level 1 of the ICC Code of Conduct during the first ODI against Bangladesh in St. Kitts and Nevis. Joseph was found to have violated Article 2.3 of the ICC Code of Conduct for players and player support personnel, which relates to the use of an audible obscenity. The incident took place before the start of play on Sunday. Joseph reportedly used offensive and abusive language to fourth umpire Gregory Brathwaite after being asked not to step onto the pitch with his spikes on. As a result of the breach, Joseph has also received 1 demerit point, marking his second offence in a 24-month period. The sanction was accepted by Joseph, who admitted to the offence and agreed to the proposed penalty. West Indies won the first ODI by 5 wickets, breaking their 11-match losing streak to Bangladesh. Former champions Mount Pleasant FA are back atop the Jamaica Premier League standings on 28 points following their 4-1 thrashing of Humble Lion in the opening match of a doubleheader at the Anthony Spaulding Sports Complex on Monday. Mount Pleasant were led by a double from Nicholas Nelson in the 83rd and 85th minutes. Daniel Green in minute 36 and Kimoni Bailey in the 44th were also on the score sheet for Mount Pleasant. Humble Lion's consolation was scored by Afiba Chambers in the 50th minute. Meanwhile, Arnett Gardens moved up to second after a 2-1 victory over Harbourview in the late feature game. Goals from Warner Brown and Kimani Arboin in the 18th and 57th minutes secured the win for Arnett. Akwasa Chung in the 69th scored for Harbourview. Jamaica's Olympic discus champion Rajay Stoner will be among 14 athletes in January who will go on a 10-week training camp in Florida featuring field and classroom sessions before showcasing their skills to NFL scouts ahead of next year's NFL draft. Stoner will get the chance to showcase his talent in the NFL's international player pathway. The IPP program identifies global talent and gives athletes the opportunity to develop their American football skills and potentially earn a spot on an NFL roster. And that is it for your Midday Sports Roundup, and I am Jermaine Brown.
Thanks, Jermaine, and that concludes the Midday News Package. I'm Kerry and Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.